Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ceramic Christmas tree is probably one of the most charming and unique ways to decorate your home for the holidays, offering a nostalgic and whimsical alternative to traditional pine trees. And in this video, we will explore the enchanting world of ceramic Christmas trees with lights, examining their history, various styles, and the key factors to consider when choosing the perfect one to illuminate your holiday season, adding a touch of vintage elegance and modern flair to your festive decor. Number 5. Best Choice 15 inches ceramic tree. It features a beautiful, hand-painted design with a glossy finish. This makes it a perfect addition to your holiday decor. This mini tree is decorated with 64 festive lights and a star topper, brightening up your holidays. It's the perfect centerpiece for your holiday season. It comes with a convenient 5-foot power cord and an easy on-off switch, so no batteries are needed. Simply plug it in and enjoy the warm glow. It's small enough to fit on any countertop, table, desk, or mantle. This makes it versatile and easy to display anywhere in your home. It's ideal for homes, offices, or classrooms. Spread some holiday cheer wherever you place it. With a diameter of 8.5 inches and a height of 15 inches, it's the perfect size for a tabletop Christmas tree. What we like? This mini ceramic tree is beautifully hand-painted. It's small enough for any space, but still features 64 bright lights for a festive glow. If you're looking for a charming, space-saving tree, this is the perfect choice for your home, office, or classroom. What people say? Very sturdy. Super easy to assemble. Zero missing parts. It's a heavy tree. It's bigger and better than I anticipated. Packaged extremely well. Arrived on time. Comes with a star and 3 extra light, the Christmas tree lights. It's made very well and I'm so glad I have this. Fantastic color, good weight, not flimsy, perfect size. The size pleasantly surprised me because I wasn't expecting it to be as large as it is. Beautifully painted, the lights are lovely. Number 4. Christmas lighted tabletop tree. This holiday season, bring the magic of Christmas into your home with our enchanting tabletop tree. It's the perfect addition to any festive setting, adding a touch of warmth and wonder. Standing at 14.5 inches tall, including its sparkling star, it's the ideal size for tabletop display. Its 7.5-inch diameter base provides a stable and elegant foundation. It features over 50 translucent, multicolored bulbs that create a captivating glow. Watch it illuminate your space with festive cheer. Simply place the included C7 lamp underneath to light up the bulbs and star. The UL-approved cord has a convenient inline on-off switch for easy control. This charming tree is meticulously crafted and made in China. It's designed to bring joy to your Christmas celebrations for years to come. This beautiful tree is the perfect centerpiece for your holiday table, adding a touch of magic to your Christmas celebrations. Enjoy its warm glow and festive charm. What we like? Standing at 16 inches tall, this tabletop tree boasts 50+ multicolored bulbs for a vibrant display. It's the ideal size for a statement piece on your table or mantle. If you want a larger, eye-catching tree without taking up too much space, this is for you. What people say? The pearlized version is fired with a different blaze and has a nice sheen to it. The 2 night light bulbs, they get bright enough so that the whole tree is lit up. This tree is beautiful and arrived without any damage. It's just as lovely as the white tree I already own. Number 3. Best Choice 24 inches ceramic Christmas tree. It features a beautiful, hand-painted design with a glossy finish. This makes it the perfect addition to your holiday decor. This tree is adorned with festive decorative bulbs and a star topper. They'll brighten up your holidays and add a touch of magic. It comes with a convenient 10-foot power cord and a simple on-off switch. No need for batteries. Standing tall, it's sure to draw attention. Yet, it complements any space, from tabletops to mantles. It's ideal for homes, offices, or classrooms. Bring some holiday cheer wherever you place it. With a diameter of 13.75 inches and a height of 24 inches, it's the perfect size for any space. What we like? This extra large tree makes a bold statement with its impressive size and 74 lights. The hand-painted details add a touch of elegance. If you need a show-stopping centerpiece for a larger space, this is the one to choose. What people say. The tree was just the perfect size for what we wanted it for and is well-made multicolor lights and a beautiful star on top. I love the white lights and the white goes with my home decor so much better than my green tree did. It is heavier than I thought it would be too. Overall a nice piece that I will have for many years. This 18-inch tree is lightweight enough for one person to pick up with complete ease. I chose the green tree with snow and multicolored lights. It came with all the lights and its electrical cord already in place. The only item that needed to be installed was the star that tops the tree, which offers two choices, a gold or a white star. I love the fact that it's a plug-in and voila, it lights up tree. It even has a convenient on-off switch on the electrical cord. Number 2. 13 Ceramic Christmas Tree. This charming 13-inch tree is perfect for adding a touch of holiday cheer to any tabletop. Its multicolored lights create a warm and inviting glow. It's crafted from ceramic and carefully hand-painted with a glossy finish, making it a beautiful addition to your home decor. This lovely tree adds a touch of vintage charm. Place it on your mantle, kitchen counter, or even in your office. It's sure to brighten up any space. It's the perfect size for tables and shelves. Powered by 3 AA batteries, not included, it's easy to place anywhere without needing a nearby outlet. Simply turn it on and enjoy the festive lights. This delightful tree makes a wonderful gift for friends, family, or colleagues. It's a charming way to share the holiday spirit. What we like. This charming 13-inch tree is battery-operated for ultimate convenience. Its compact size and portability make it perfect for any location. If you value convenience and versatility, this is the ideal option for your holiday decorating. What people say. The tree is attractive and sturdy. You get a few extra colored plastic, non-electric, bulbs. The tree is beautiful as I expected, but the top does not stay on. The star has no structure. The little lamp is not very bright. It's adequate for low light rooms, but I will replace it with a brighter lamp. It's a lovely ceramic tree though. The artists painted it carefully and the peg illuminate nicely. The peg are glued in place. The finish is glossy and smooth. I didn't find any roughness or seams. So it is well made. Number 1. MILLTOWN Merchant Ceramic Tree. Bring the magic of Christmas into your home with this charming ceramic tree. It's handcrafted and painted with intricate details and vibrant colors, perfect for capturing the holiday spirit. This tabletop tree evokes nostalgia with its timeless design and colorful lights, creating a warm and inviting glow. It's a perfect addition to any holiday setting. This light-up tree seamlessly blends vintage charm with modern style. It complements any theme, from traditional to contemporary, making it ideal for both cozy gatherings and festive parties. It features a high-gloss finish that makes your holiday decor pop. This charming tree creates a warm ambience and makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Experience the brilliance of energy-efficient LED lights. It comes with a 5-foot plug-in cord and extra bulbs. The lights are securely glued in place. This large ceramic Christmas tree stands 15.5 inches tall, including the star, and has a 9-inch diameter. It's the perfect size for a tabletop or mantelpiece. What we like. This 15.5-inch tree features energy-efficient LED lights and a stunning high-gloss finish. It's a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern convenience. If you appreciate classic style with a modern twist, this tree will be a cherished addition to your holiday decor. What people say. The tree is beautiful from the colors and brightness of the lights and star to the smaller details. This is a very nice tree. It arrived very well packed with no broken pieces. The LED single bulb is very bright. Adds a bit of nostalgia to my holiday decor. Looks just like the ones that my family had when I was growing up. I love the size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.